G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, once again, we're asking the question, go or no go. We're over here at Baroon Pocket Dam. We're on the North Maleny side of the dam itself. We're going to take a bit of a look at the area here and see what it's got on offer for you. Let's go check it out.
Go, no go for long.
Baroon Pocket Dam is around about an hour and a half north of Brisbane. It's not too bad to find your way up here. Basically just head up the highway and turn off at Landsborough and make your way up towards Maleny from there. Maleny itself is actually really interesting and a great place to stop in. There's plenty of fantastic cafes in there and it's a nice little place to stop just for a day trip as well. The north access to the Baroon Pocket Dam is just on 10 minutes north of Maleny itself, and it's a fantastic drive to get out here as well. Alright, well here we are at Baroon Pocket Dam. Let's go take a look. As you'll see here, you've got plenty of information and signage letting you know about the animals that are in the area, giving you a site map of the area as well, and also letting you know about other things that are available for you in the area in terms of other recreation as well. So that's very handy. Purely in terms of your facilities here, you've got tons of different seating areas, covered areas, and you've also got gas barbecues that are available here as well, which is quite handy. There's also a bathroom block that's available on the site here as well. The play area for the kids is also really conveniently positioned here right in the middle of the site. So you can have the kids playing in the middle and you can just be having a picnic or doing up a barbecue around the outsides of the site. So that's pretty helpful as well. Another one of the things you'll see from your pictures here as well is that there's a ton of parking here. So if you are here to use the area as a day use area or for boating, you've got tons of parking that's available for you on site. In terms of your facilities for water sports here, you've got a boat ramp and you're able to use the dam itself for stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, rowing, you name it. There's also some pretty good fishing available here as well. It's a great setup here on this side of Baroon Pocket Dam and also on the other side, which we've taken a look at previously. They've got tons of little covered areas here and barbecues and whatnot here as well, and it's all very well set up right next to the water. Tons of wildlife around the area, and what they've done really well, and one of the things I really do like about the way they've set these up is you can use this place actually as a pretty good day use area as well. As with the areas on the other side of Baroon Pocket Dam, you've got these great little pagodas here that are right on the water, overlooking the water. Fantastically set up, this place, I must say. Beautiful area. Another one of the big positives for this area here is, you'll see behind me, we've got a fenced off and gated off swimming area. So not only do you have great access down to the water with the boat ramp, and you're right in front of the day use area here as well, but you've got swimming which is available, which is fantastic. As you'll see here, on both sides of the spit, as you're heading down towards the boat ramp, you've actually got a couple of different spaces that are available here for recreation. So if the place does happen to be busy and there's a lot of people here, you've actually got plenty of different areas that are available for you. So if you were here wanting to use the boat ramp or the swimming area and there was a lot of people here, you've got plenty of different options available for you, in that there are 2 different sections here with covered areas and barbecues as well, and all of which have great access down to the water. Another one of the cool little things about this space as well is that there's a little bit of an adventure walk here for the kids to take as well. So I think we'll go and take a look at that right now. I've got to say, it's a very cool walk here. It's great being in the forest here, really close to the water. It's not often you find a full-on forest that's right next to a dam. It's also really nice sort of walking along and hearing in the background the sound of whipbirds and also bellbirds as well, and they're all really, really close to you as well. It's very cool. Very easy to find your way around in this walk as well. You can't get lost at all, and you're really close to the day use area here as well, which is pretty handy. Well, that was a fantastic walk, I must say. It's really cool just coming from a lake straight into a forest. I'm sure the kids would love it in here as well. Be a great little adventure for them. This place really does have a lot to offer in terms of different things you can do for all members of the family, that's for sure. If you're a kayaker, you can use the boat ramp and enjoy the facilities there. If you wanted to just come here for a barbecue, you can use the day use facilities here, and that's it. If you wanted to come here for just a bit of a getaway even, it's quite a nice little drive to get here as well. All right, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here at Lake Baroon. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. We'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.